Right. I'll be representing the Lions Club, LA Maharlika, and I acknowledge PDG Nick Mananghaya. I'm also representing FEU, Far Eastern University, and Sam and hi Stephen. Sam and I graduated from the same medical school. That's Far Eastern University. And some of us spoke last night as a representative from Far Eastern University. And lastly, I'm also representing the third organization where we are involved, the PMA, Philippine Medical Association of Southern California. And the president of the PMA is running late, so I'm taking over her position. And so those three organizations I picked up because these are the three organizations that Zam and my wife, Susan, are all involved with. And I heard PDG Nick saying that we always use their house for the meeting. And mind you, for those who knows how to host, it's a very arduous task. You prepare during the meeting, or even before, you prepare the house, and then during the meeting, as well as the post-meeting. And I'm sure Stephen can relate to this because Stephen, the only son, is also very much involved whenever we have our meetings, our gathering, Christmas, and everything at their house. So I'm sure for those people who are here, I recognize some Lion members as well as people from same medical school, Far Eastern University, some doctors on the side, as well as the Philippine Medical Association of Southern California. So those three organizations. And the reason why I picked all those organizations is because Susan and Dr. Sam are also officers of the said organization. Dr. Sam is board of directors also of LA Maharlika Lions Club. He's also part of the officer of the Far Eastern University Medical School alumni of Southern California. And lastly, the Philippine Medical Association, they're very much involved, which brings me to my pictures. I don't have PowerPoint, so I just brought my iPad. See this? This is Sam. You recognize the, which house is this? Oscar. Their house, yes. That's Pointer Drive. Correct. Thank you. Wait to see. That's the brother. Okay. And I only met the brother Oscar since the Nabina, and seems like we're already close. Seems like you're my brother already, Oscar. He's one of the brother of Sam. But, thank you. So the reason why I showed this picture is because he's not only a member or officer of IONS, FEU, and PMA, he also involved himself in terms of preparation, and sometimes when we get there early, I can still see them cleaning up, including Stephen. I'm sure, can you face around and turn around? That's Stephen, that's the only son. And he's always there, he's always helping. Stand up. Yes, there you go. I want you to. He's a very astute person and very cooperative and very obedient, I would say. And so I just want to mention that. I have only a few here, so I'm just going to go through it. And this is Sam and Susan. You recognize? I've got an arrow there. Sam and Susan. And this is during our bus trip. because one of our fundraising event involves going to different places, and mind you, when we have a bus trip like casino turnaround, or last year we went to National Park Sequoia. Yes, who's that? Oh, there you go. You can relate with us. Oh, I see some FE. Yeah. So looks familiar now. Not only that we have our meeting in their house, but we also use their abode, their parking, when we have this
Bus trip.
trip. Because as you can tell, there are about more than 20 cars when we have the bus trip. So we park in their house, and I'm sure Stephen knows this. Sometimes Stephen said, "Oh, don't park there, don't park there. You might get a ticket there." So so we park in in accordance to their they have this housing, what do you call it, HOA. And the reason why I mentioned that is because without their house where we can park, it's very difficult to have this bus, because we used to go to the mall in La Puente. I'm sure you guys know about it. Some of the Lions Club will use La Puente parking lot, but they don't want us to use that anymore. But anyway, so we use their house, their parking, they're outside there. It's gated, so I'm sure all of us are in peace when we leave our car 2 nights, overnight. So this is the picture where we have one of our bus tour. Don't worry, I have only seven here, 7 pictures. This one is, I don't know if you guys recognize this. This PMASC, okay, Sequoia. Who is that? Okay, I'll treat you in sushi house. That is Sequoia, all right? And I'm sure some of you here went with us on the bus tour for the PMA event. This is our fundraising event. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see the arrow. Can you see the arrow back there?
Yes.
The arrow, the black arrow. I used the red arrow, but it doesn't show, so I changed it to black. Okay, so that's Sam. And then Susan is here. You recognize yourself, Susan. By the way, Susan, when I saw her, she's getting better, and from my unofficial report, I think she continued to get better. Her cognitive functioning is better, and every day I see her. So. But sometimes it's off and on. One time I asked Susan, "What is my name?" And then she just smiled at me, but she recognized Ellen. And then when I asked her again, "What's my name?" And she said, "Are you Christopher De Leon?" Oh, that's a joke. But anyway, she smiles. She smiles. Hey, Susan.
Smile, baby.
All right, so this is the Sequoia. Okay, and then and this one. See the arrow? They're in the bus. It's not only one bus trip. We also went to Yosemite, went to Las Vegas, we went to Sequoia National Park. We went to, I think 2 years ago, we went to Bryce Canyon in Utah, as well as Mount Zion. So yes, oh, there you go. Were you with us, Neda?
No,
Okay.
Sequoia lang.
Sequoia? Okay. So some of you here know that we were, they were active, not only offering their house, like BDG Nick said, but they also participated in fundraising event, and they use, their house, they use their time, and at one point, we were roommates in one of those hotels because we want to save money. I mean, the PMA wants to save money, so they put 4 people or 2 couples in one room. And at one point, Sam, Susan, me, and Ellen are in the same room. So that's how close we are. And Ellen will tell you about that later on. Okay. Okay, the last 3, well, and I don't know if you can see this. Okay, wrong one. We went to the pilgrimage. Any one of you familiar with the pilgrimage that we went to about a few years ago? This is in Avila, Spain. And if you can see the arrow, that's a red arrow. That's Zion, and Susan is somewhere there. Is anybody here who was with us during the pilgrimage? Anybody? Saint Teresa? Okay. Yeah. So, again, not only the bus trip, but they also participated in pilgrimage. They're very religious as well. Okay. Last two. This is also, anybody can recognize this? It's part of the pilgrimage. Sagrada, or is that Sagrada?
Sagrada Spain.
Spain also. Then, okay, the last one. This is the last video, and then I'll be last photo, and then I'll be done. And the reason why I put this is because this is one of our turnaround. This was the casino turnaround, and I forgot the casino, but that's further San Diego, south of San Diego. And as you can see, Sam is there. You can see the picture, the one with the black arrow. Susan, can you see it? See, Susan can recognize it now. Okay, so that's you. Okay. So again, I'm trying to emphasize this as not only that we use their house, but they also participated, as I said. And sometimes it's hard to discern whether they're just giving back to the community, but also is it true in their kindness of their heart that they are doing this. It's inherent with them helping people even though they're not expecting anything in return. I see that our past president of the LA Maharlika Lions Club, Malo Aquino, is also here. Hi, Malo. So I'm almost done. If you want to follow me, you can do so. So I just want to recognize, before I leave, Stephen again. Of course, Susan. Stephanie, are you here? I saw Stephanie a while ago. They have only
Oh, she's coming.
they have only two children. Stephen, the guy, the younger one, that's Stephen. And then Stephanie, and the beautiful Stephanie, that's the elder. I just want to recognize the two of you. They're the two, the brother and sister. And now, since Stephanie is the elder one, so she's taking care of everything. So just give them a big round of applause. Thank you. And that's the end of my eulogy. Oscar?
Oh, great. Thank you so much. And you're welcome.